What if the secret to a perfect smile isn't just brushing and flossing? In the US, we spend billions every year on dental procedures, yet oral health issues are still at an all-time high. Today, we're looking at two radical shifts in dental care, Dentitox Pro and ProDentim. One is a liquid drop formula you apply directly to your gums, while the other is a probiotic-packed tablet designed to rebuild your mouth's microbiome from the inside out. One treats the symptoms, the other treats the environment. Which one is the missing piece in your routine? Let's break down the science. First up, let's talk about Dentitox Pro. Excited. This is a unique liquid formula designed for direct application. It's built for people who want to hit the problem exactly where it starts. The strategy: it uses a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts like vitamin C, vitamin D3, and K2, along with phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. It also features elderberry, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Key features: direct application. Unlike capsules, these drops are applied directly to the teeth and gums, allowing for immediate contact with affected areas. Natural ingredients. The formula is based on local growers' plants, kept in their natural state to maintain efficacy. Safety standards. It's produced in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile conditions. The catch: because it's a topical liquid, you have to be consistent with daily application to see results, and it doesn't address the internal bacterial balance quite like a probiotic. Now let's pivot to ProDentim. This product has taken the internet by storm because it challenges everything we thought we knew about oral hygiene. The strategy: the creators of ProDentim argue that the bad bacteria in our mouths aren't the problem. It's a lack of good bacteria caused by toxic ingredients in modern toothpaste and mouthwash. ProDentim is a chewable tablet that delivers 3.5 billion probiotic strains directly to your mouth. Key features: probiotic power. Features strains like Lactobacillus reuteri to help with inflammation and B-lactis BL04 for immune and respiratory health. Systemic benefits: beyond teeth, it supports the respiratory tract and overall immune system by balancing the oral microbiome. Natural and easy. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and easy to use. You just chew a tablet every morning. The catch: ProDentim is a long-term play. It focuses on rebuilding your environment, so you might not see the same immediate soothing effect on a specific gum spot that you might get from a direct application liquid. So, how do you choose? For targeted issues: if you have specific spots on your gums that feel weak or need immediate mineral support, Dentitox Pro's direct application method is designed for that hit-the-target approach. For total mouth health: if you struggle with chronic bad breath, frequent cavities, or want to improve your mouth's natural defense system, ProDentim is the superior choice for its focus on 3.5 billion probiotics. The combination: many biohackers actually use both, using Dentitox for direct gum support and ProDentim to ensure the good bacteria are winning the war internally. The truth is, your mouth is an ecosystem. If you want to support your teeth and gums with direct minerals and vitamins, go with Dentitox Pro. If you want to rebuild your oral health from the bacterial level up, go with ProDentim. I've included the official links for both Dentitox Pro and ProDentim in the description below, along with the best discounts currently available. Don't forget to like this video if you're tired of expensive dental bills, and subscribe for more deep dive health comparisons.